Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather review program of 29th April. So let us see the today's highlights. Overall, we can say that thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind activity is likely to continue over different parts of the country during the next 5 days. Accordingly, we have mentioned here 3 points in highlights. First point is that a fresh spell of rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm, lightning, gusty winds and hailstorm likely over northwest India during the period of 1st to 3rd May, and heavy rainfall also likely over western Bengal region during 1st to 3rd May 2023. And as regards parts of central and east India, where thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind and hailstorm activity likely during the period of 29th April, that is today, till 2nd of May. As regards South Peninsular India, heavy to very heavy rainfall likely over different parts of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh during the period of 29th April, that is today, to 2nd of May. So this is the highlights. Let us look at yesterday's realized hailstorm. So we can see that from this map, hailstorm activity mainly concentrated yesterday over Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha region, where through different modes of communication including media, it has been found that hailstorm reported over many parts of Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha and at isolated places over Madhya Maharashtra, Odisha and Sikkim. As regards heavy rainfall yesterday, it was realized over Sikkim, Odisha, Madhya Maharashtra, North Central Karnataka, Rayalaseema, Tamil Nadu and Kerala in the order of 7 to 9 centimeter at isolated places. So with this realized weather, let us review the maximum temperature scenario. Yesterday, most parts of the country reported maximum temperature below 40 degrees Celsius in the order of below normal category over most parts of the country. You can see from these two maps, left side panel shows actual maximum temperature over different parts of the country, and the right panel shows the departure from the long average. So you can see that below normal temperature are reporting over most parts of the country. Now let us look at the synoptic systems. We are having mainly two synoptic systems, one western disturbance over central parts of Pakistan, and another is the north-south trough from southeast Arabian Sea to the southern parts of the Chhattisgarh across interior parts of Karnataka and Telangana. Now let us look at the warning map for next 5 days one by one. From this map is for 29th of April, that is today, which is valid for next 24 hours. From this you can see that orange color is given to the most parts of central, adjoining east and interior Maharashtra, where hailstorm activity likely to the next 24 hours. And if we look at northwest India, where thunderstorm activity along with hailstorm and gusty wind likely mainly over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand today. However, light to moderate thunderstorm likely over remaining parts of the plains of northwest India. As regards rest parts of the east India, you can see that thunderstorm activity likely over most parts of these parts also. However, over Sikkim, hailstorm activity along with heavy rainfall is expected today over Sikkim region. As regards northeast part of the country, where thunderstorm and lightning likely during next 24 hours, along with this heavy rainfall expected over Himachal Pradesh. If we see the south peninsular India, you can see that thunderstorm activity is likely during next 24 hours over most parts of this region, and heavy rainfall also likely over Tamil Nadu, Kerala, South Central Karnataka and Rayalaseema during next 24 hours. In addition to this, heavy rainfall also likely over Telangana region. If we look at our islands, where Lakshadweep is likely to reported this scattered to fairly widespread rainfall along with thunderstorm activity. So this is valid for next 24 hours. This is important for our. However, we can review for our next 30th April and 1st May map. You can see that on 30th of April, this orange color is given to mainly Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand over western region, where this thunderstorm along with hailstorm activity likely over this region, and over rest parts of the plains of northwest India, you can see that thunderstorm activity likely during the period of 30th of April. As regards central and east India, you can see that orange color is given to the parts of most parts of the east India, excluding this Bihar, where this thunderstorm activity likely. Otherwise, over most parts of the east India, thunderstorm, lightning and hailstorm activity likely. In addition to this, heavy rainfall also likely over Odisha on 30th April, and other zones of heavy rainfall is on 30th over Telangana and the south India Karnataka, Rayalaseema, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. If we see the map of 1st of May, you can see that orange color is given to most parts of East India adjoining central India and most parts of northwest India, where thunderstorm along with hailstorm activity likely during 1st May, and heavy rainfall also likely over Himachal Pradesh on 1st of May. In addition to this, most parts of the country likely to experience thunderstorm and lightning activity. If we see the heavy rainfall probability, you can see that Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and this Rayalaseema, South Central Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, where heavy rainfall is expected. As regards this Tamil Nadu region, where heavy to very heavy over Ghat areas also likely. If we look at the map of 2nd of May, orange color is given to most parts of western region, where thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind and squall also likely over Uttarakhand on 2nd of May, and heavy rainfall is expected over Himachal Pradesh on 2nd May, and dust storm also likely over western parts of Rajasthan on 2nd of May. Otherwise, orange color is also given to over this central parts of the country, including Chhattisgarh and Vidarbha, where heavy rainfall also likely over Chhattisgarh and hailstorm over this region. And other areas of heavy rainfall on 2nd of May, it is over coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. In addition to this, most parts of northeast parts of the country are also likely to receive heavy rainfall on 2nd of May. If we look at the map of 3rd of May, orange color is given to Uttarakhand this day also, because thunder squall of the order of 50 to 60 kmph and hailstorm also likely to Uttarakhand. Otherwise, most parts of the country likely to experience light to moderate thunderstorm on 3rd of May. Under the influence of this, it is expected that most parts of the country maximum temperature will remain either normal or below normal. So this is all about. You visit our website mosam.imd.gov.in and Facebook and Twitter pages for more information. Namaskar.